In this video, we'll briefly discuss use of Excel's solver add-in. So you see in front of you an assignment problem, and in this assignment problem we have to assign one customer to each cab and one cab to each customer, and then we see the distances that it is from each cab to each customer, and we want to minimize the total distance. I'm not really interested in the specific problem, you'll see that in your class, but I am interested in solver, which I'll show you in a minute, and I need to tell you it's an assignment problem because the first thing we need to do is get the data into Excel OM. So we're going to go to the chapter menu, and it's chapter 15 in the textbook, or we can go directly to the alphabetical method. It's called assignment. And there are 4 assignments that need to be made, so we'll click OK. We have an empty table there. We'll go back to the problem and we'll copy the data. So right click, copy, and then hit done. And I'll right click this time to paste from my own lab. The data is in, and you can see the instruction says enter the assignment cost in the shaded area, which we've done. Then go to the data tab, click on solver in the data analysis group, and then click solve. So we go to the data tab, and on the far right is solver, the solver tool. We click on solver. The model has already been set up for us. All we have to do is click solve. At this point we see a window that says solver results, and what we need to do is first verify that there was a solution. So it says solver found a solution. There could be a message that says solver did not find a solution, so that's something to keep in mind. And then the other thing is sometimes, not necessarily in this case, sometimes for some problems, especially linear programming problems, we'll want a sensitivity report. So just to demonstrate this, I'll click sensitivity and I'll click OK. And first notice our solution is here. Customer A should go to stand 2, customer B to stand 1, customer C to stand 3, and customer D to stand 4, and the total mileage is 23. But in addition, there's a tab that contains the sensitivity report. Most of this won't make sense to you, but when you talk about linear programming, if you talk about linear programming in your class, it will make a lot of sense. So solver is used for the assignment model, for the transportation model, for linear programming, and it's used for project management crashing. And in all cases, you'll have to do what we did here, go to the data tab, click on solver, check the results window, and then your results will be in the Excel spreadsheet.